In this video, we will be talking about what is protective shield, why we should protect our body, our energy, and how we can do it so easily, so effortlessly that the person next to you might not even know what you are doing. And the reason why is very, very important. So, if that is something you are interested in, stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Now, let's talk about why we need to do protection. What is it about the energy? Why we are doing it? Because once we know why, it becomes very much easier to do it daily, effortlessly. So, the reason for us to do protective shield is because we all are made up of energy and we feel people's energy. We talk about vibe. I like this person's vibe. I didn't like this person's vibe. So, what happens is when we meet people in this world, in this life, we attract their energy. We like somebody's energy, we do not like someone's energy. At the same time, if you are an empath or a sympathetic person, you know how it feels when somebody is talking about their life journey and you feel so drained and you are like, I don't know what to do with this. So, this video is going to be very helpful for you because you will learn how to do it. And let's talk about it straight away. So, now we all have our aura, energy field. Okay, so when somebody comes into my energy field, I would feel their energy, I might feel drained. So for me to protect myself daily, I will do this amazing and the most simplest method ever. And it is called protective shield. Some people call protection shield. What is the shield? Shield is we are protecting ourselves that nothing bad, nothing, this is my boundary. You cannot come and touch me inside. Okay. So how I will be doing it? Either you keep your eyes open or closed, both is fine. Either you say it loudly or in your mind, both is fine. But most important is how you are doing it, because once you believe in it, your every single word, whatever you are saying it, put 100% faith and believe in it that this is going to work. Maybe at the start you might think, I don't know if this is going to work. Just give it a go. It's not going to do any harm, so nothing wrong is going to happen. Just give it a go. So now how do we do it? Either you sit down, either you are walking, whenever you leave the house. The best thing is whenever you are leaving the house or you are entering somebody's place or you are going to a movie, a cinema, when there is people, it's a crowded place, going to airport, going to train station where you are going to see too many people's energy, the best thing is to do it that time. You can do it as many times as possible. So if you do it in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon, later evening is totally fine. The more you are doing it, the more you are protecting yourself. How you will do it, let's talk about that. So simply just visualize that this beautiful rays of light coming to you from the universe. If you believe in God, Goddess, your gurus, your teachers, visualize them as well. This beautiful ray of light is coming towards you, is surrounding you, it is protecting you. And when you say it, in your heart, in your mind, feel it. Feel that beautiful ray of protection coming from the universe and it is surrounding you. You can imagine is creating anti-clockwise 1 round, 2, 3, 7, 9. And when this light is coming to you from the universe, it is shielding you, it is protecting you like a mom protecting own child. It's giving you lots of love, lots of energy, and this is giving you a beautiful protection. And if you feel like, you can say, mention your name. Let universe, let energy know your name. So mention your name. I would say, I, Tejal, there is a beautiful white light around me which is protecting me. I told you it's simple. I, mention your name. There is this beautiful white light around me which is protecting me. And when you say it, feel every single word. Feel the energy. Feel that this light is surrounding me. It is protecting me. Now you may ask, do I say any other light color? Yes, you can say white, red, blue, purple, whatever you feel connected to, because color also have energy, colors also have that much of power. Now, who can do it? Everybody can do it. I have taught my son when he was very little. So you can teach this to anybody and everybody. Who needs it? Everybody needs it. If you ask me, Tejal, is that the process done? Yes, because my words have power. It is called spell. So whatever I'm saying, I'm manifesting that in my life. And now, shall we do this together? That would be nice. So do it with me, okay? Just simply visualize that there is this beautiful light, amazing, vibrant. Imagine the color you feel like sparkly light coming towards you, and it is creating a beautiful circle. It's a beautiful bubble, and you are inside, you are safe, you are protected, you are secured. And say, when you see these lights surrounding you, just visualize and then say, there is this beautiful light coming towards me, which is protecting me. There's a beautiful white light, beautiful golden light, beautiful rainbow light, sparkly rainbow light. It's coming towards me from the universe, which is protecting me. Now, if you have any mantras, thank you for doing it with me. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. Did you like it? How did you feel? Did you feel that energy? Sometimes you feel tingling sensation. Sometimes you feel like it's a bit of cold air coming towards you. And the more you do it, the more you will start having that faith, the more you start having that belief in it. And every single time you are going to somebody's house, you are coming back from somewhere, it's a good practice. You can do it as many times as possible, and it is fantastic. Let me know in the comments, how did you find this? Was there any part of it that you are confused, you want me to throw more light on? Also, I would love you to let me know any different topics you want me to work on. So today we had a beautiful live session, and this video has been requested by Miss Fearless Soul. Thank you so much for the request. You can also place your own requests under the comment section. Please share it with somebody whom you think might be benefited, whom you think needs that energy protection. It's like the warmth, that blanket warmth when you are feeling so cold. This protective shield is going to protect you the entire day. And every single time you feel not balance of energy, come back to this and do this protective shield. And you will feel it is so fantastic, so easy to follow. There is nothing that we cannot follow. Simply just visualize a beautiful ray of light coming towards you, and it is protecting you. And the moment you say it, the protection starts working. The protection is there ready for you. Just invite. So the moment you start saying it, this protection starts working for you beautifully. It's like, okay, Tejal needs it, this person needs, let me start working for this person. So this is so fantastic, so beautiful. If you have any video request, or you would like me to talk about any topic, I am more than happy to do so. Also, feel free to explore playlists on the channel. There are tons of videos. I have made so many different videos about different topics. But if you have any particular topic, if you are interested about Reiki, crystals, make sure you subscribe and share this with somebody whom you think might get benefited. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye.